Welcome back to the URSA AG Owner Series. In today's video, we'll cover the daily pre-start inspection for the URSA AG 180 and 260 series tractors. Taking a few minutes to inspect your tractor before each day of operation can help identify potential issues before they become costly repairs, improve safety, and keep your tractor performing at its best. Before beginning your inspection, park the tractor on a level surface, lower all implements to the ground, place the transmission in neutral, engage the parking brake, shut off the engine, and remove the key. If the tractor has recently been operating, allow hot engine and hydraulic components to cool before opening the hood or removing any caps. Start every day with a complete walk-around inspection. Look underneath the tractor for signs of engine oil, coolant, hydraulic oil, transmission oil, fuel, or brake fluid leaks. Inspect the tractor for loose hardware, damaged hoses, worn wiring, cracked components, or anything that appears out of the ordinary. With the hood open, check the engine compartment for any obvious leaks or damaged components. Check the engine oil level with the tractor parked on level ground and the engine shut off. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean. Reinstall it fully and remove it again to verify that the oil is within the safe operating range. Inspect the coolant level in the radiator. Never remove the radiator cap when the engine is hot. If the air cleaner dust bowl is full of debris, simply unscrew the threaded cap. Inspect the air cleaner restriction indicator, located on the back side of the airbox, and check that the housing and intake system are clean and securely fastened. Inspect the radiator screen and cooling package for dirt, chaff, insects, or other debris that could restrict airflow. Clean as required using methods recommended in your operator's manual. Visually inspect all accessible belts and hoses for cracking, fraying, swelling, or leaks. Check that there is sufficient fuel for the day's work. Inspect the fuel cap to ensure it seals properly, and if equipped, check the fuel water separator for any accumulated water. Next, verify all drivetrain and hydraulic fluid levels. Let's start at the top. We have the 17 mil bolt, which has the hydraulic dipstick on. And down below, we have the transmission dipstick. Inside the engine compartment at the rear with the hood mount, we have our power steering fluid with the dipstick on the inside of the cap. Low fluid levels can affect steering performance, transmission operation, and hydraulic performance. Always use fluid specified by URSA AG. Inspect the brake fluid reservoir and ensure the fluid level is between minimum and maximum marks. Use mineral oil only as specified for your tractor. Never substitute another type of brake fluid, as it will eat seals. If your tractor is equipped with a front-end loader, inspect all mounting points and pivot areas before operation. Ensure every retaining clip is fully seated and all pins are secure before operating the loader. Inspect the rear of the tractor for damage or missing hardware. Verify all hitch pins and retaining clips are installed correctly and ensure the PTO shield rotates freely and is not damaged. Inspect each tire for proper inflation, cuts, punctures, cracks, or abnormal wear. Check that wheel hardware appears secure and there is no visible damage to the rims. If your maintenance schedule calls for daily lubrication, grease all required fittings before operation using the recommended lubricant. Verify that all lighting and safety equipment is functioning correctly before entering the field or traveling on public roads. Before starting the engine, ensure the cab is ready for safe operation. Check that all controls move freely and that the instrument panel powers up correctly once the ignition is switched on. A few minutes spent inspecting your tractor each day can improve safety, reduce downtime, and help protect your investment. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we'll take a detailed look at the controls and operator functions.